Question 14. Sanidra estimates that she needs 1.5 litres of milk each day. Milk is sold in 2, 4 and 6 pint bottles as shown above. Sanidra wants to buy enough milk to last for a week. Advise Sanidra which bottles of milk she should buy for the whole week. So every day she needs 1.5 litres of milk. And we need to convert this into pints because each of these bottles is a pint measurement. So 1.5 litres we need to turn into pints. So 1 litre is 1 3/4 pints. So 1.5 litres is just going to be 1.5 times by 1 3/4. Now, to multiply two mixed numbers together, we've first of all got to turn them into top-heavy fractions. So 1 3/4, well, 1.5 first of all would be 3/2, and 1 3/4 would be 7/4. So if I multiply these two together now, 3 times 7 gives me 21, and 2 times 4 gives me 8. So that's how much milk she needs in pints every single day. So to find her requirement for the week, we just need to multiply that by 7. So 21 times 7 is 147, and that's still over 8. So that's the weekly requirement, 147 over 8. So now we need to try and convert this back into a mixed number where it will be slightly more useful. So 147 over 8. So we need to find out how many times 8 is going to go into 147. Well, 8 will go into 147 18 times. 18 times 8 gives us 144, and that leaves us with 3 8s remaining. So her weekly requirement is 18 and 3/8. So now we just need to decide which bottles we're going to use to make up those 18 and 3/8. Now, notice here it doesn't matter which ones we use because they've all got the same cost. 2 pints here, 4 pints is just double that, and 6 pints is just made by adding the other two together. So they're all the same price. And we do need to make a little note of that. So each bottle has the same cost per pint. And as a result, we just need to choose some of these bottles that's going to make up our requirement of 18. And, well, you need to make up our requirement of 18 and 3/8. So it's got to be over 18. And the only way to do that is going to be to choose ones which add up to 20. There's lots of different ways you could do this. I'm going to choose to buy 3 6-pint bottles, which gives me 18, but I've still not quite met the requirement because I would still need another 2-pint bottle, and that would make up my requirement of 18 and 3/8 because we've now got 20 bottles and we've answered the question.